Wow, this is our local food. Yeah, purely African.
What's up, lovely people? My name is Shimane Clever. Right here is Assembly Hotel, one of the best places in Western region to be. Looking at the ambiance, I think it is one of the best. Whether you're looking for, poolside attractions, looking for beautiful places for your photo shoot, everything I want to do with respect to places, I recommend Assembly Hotel for you. It's actually one of the best places that you can obtain everything for yourself, and I bet you will love it. So I'm gonna take you on a tour. We're gonna look at the beautiful places here. I think this is this is the Assembly Hotel for you, one of the best places in Western region for everything that you want to do. I think for all your videos, if you want to shoot a video, if you want to have a birthday party, if you want to have, in fact, anything that is related to celebration that you need a beautiful place, I personally recommend Assembly Hotel for you. I'm going to take you on a tour. We're going to enter the rooms. I'm going to show you the beautiful places that we actually have here, the resort, everything. I'm going to love it. Let me take you on a tour. Right, so I think this is a beautiful place that you can have some kind of meetings, very big. You can have some kind of meetings here. If there are some projections here, you have this TV that can actually help you. If there is some kind of projections here, we can actually have some meetings, whether it's a board meeting or whatever. I think Assembly Hotel in Half Asini in Western region. Assembly Hotel in Half Asini in Western region is actually the best place for you. Let's enter this place. You have everything like big nice lights here, but I think personally I love light. So I love things that actually blends. So you can see the beautiful here. You can see, look at the ambience of this place. It is so amazing. I think let's go and I'll show you. These are some of the places you can check out for yourself. We have enough rooms for there are any number of people that will come here for a program. So in fact, you are so secured with the Assembly Hotel in our facility. You are more than secured. You have more rooms for you here. You can come here and make yourself very comfortable here. In fact, I promise you, you will have one of the best experience ever. When it comes to Western region and when it comes to Afasco to be precise, the best place to be is Assembly Hotel, and that is my personal recommendation. You can find everything for your, even if it's your wedding and even if it's your birthday celebration, you can come here at Assembly Hotel. I think you have you have a wonderful experience for all that has to do with nice place. In fact, Assembly Hotel is the place. Right here is Assembly Hotel, located in Western region, here in Nzema West, in Western region, and it's an amazing place. And right here, we are here to discuss success.
This is our local food. This is our local food called African. Have you seen? This is what the name? We have snail, we have goats, we have yeah. These are all yeah.